New 7 Wonders of the World. Number 1. The Great Wall of China. Great Wall consists of numerous walls, many of them parallel to each other, built over some 2 millennia across northern China and southern Mongolia. The wall is the longest man-made structure in the world, with a total length of about 13,170.7 miles or to 1196, 18 kilometers. Number 2. Chichen Itza, Ancient City, Mexico. It is thought to have been a religious, military, political, and commercial center that at its peak would have been home to 35,000 people. Chichen Itza, ruined ancient Maya city occupying an area of 4 square miles, 10 square kilometers, in south-central Yucatan state, Mexico. Number 3. Petra. It is located in Jordan. The ancient city of Petra, Jordan, is located in a remote valley, nestled among sandstone mountains and cliffs. The spectacular sandstone city of Petra was built in the 3rd century BC by the Nabateans. Famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system, Petra is also called the Rose City because of the color of the stone from which it is carved. Number 4. Machu Picchu. It is located in Peru. More than 7,000 feet above sea level in the Andes Mountains, Machu Picchu is the most visited tourist destination in Peru. A symbol of the Incan Empire and built around 1450 AD. Number 5. Christ the Redeemer. It is located in Rio de Janeiro. Christ the Redeemer is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. A symbol of Christianity across the world, the statue has also become a cultural icon of both Rio de Janeiro and Brazil, and is listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Number 6. Colosseum. It is located Rome, Italy. The Colosseum or Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, is an oval amphitheatre in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Built of travertine limestone, tough, volcanic rock, and brick-faced concrete, it was the largest amphitheatre ever built at the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. Although substantially ruined because of earthquakes and stone robbers, the Colosseum is still an iconic symbol of Imperial Rome and is listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Number 7. Taj Mahal. It is located in Agra, India. The Taj Mahal is located on the right bank of the Yamuna River in a vast Mughal garden that encompasses nearly 17 hectares, in the Agra district in Uttar Pradesh. An immense mausoleum of white marble, built in Agra between 1631 and 1648 by order of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his favourite wife. The Taj Mahal is the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage.